Hello everyone. Today I am taking another question on critical and creative thinking in mathematical literacy. So today we will discuss the unit parcel by courier. Let's see the question. It's given in Zland. Couriering a parcel cost 3.25 Zs per kilogram and a fixed pickup service charge of 5 Zs. Now here Zland is the name of the country. Okay, it's not real name, simply they have given the name as Zland and the currency of the Zland is Zs. So according to the question, in the country Zland, if we want to courier a parcel, the charges are 3.25 Zs per kilogram plus pickup service charge of 5 Zs. Now see the question. Question number 1 is, which of the following equation below show the correct relationship between courier charge C and the weight W? Okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to find the relationship between the courier charge C and weight of the parcel W. So let's solve the question. So details we have written here. A parcel costs 3.25 Zs per kilogram and a fixed pickup service charge of 5 Zs, right? And Shalja sent some books weighing W kilogram. So now charges in Zlands is based on the weight of the parcel, right? If weight of the parcel is 1 kg, then charges will be 3.25 into 1 Z and plus additional charge, that is 5 Z. If the weight of the parcel is 5 kg, then the cost will be 3.25 into 5 plus the additional service charge of 5 Z. Now here it is written that the cost of couriering the books weighing W kg will be W into 3.25. Okay, why we are multiplying it by 3.25? Because here it is given charges are 3.25 Zs per kilogram. Now weight of the books is W kilogram. So the cost will be W into 3.25 Zs. So this is the cost according to the weight of the books. But in this we will add additional fixed pickup service charge also, that is 5 Zs. So now total cost of the couriering the books will be W into 3.25 plus 5. So this is our equation. Now we will see out of the 4 given options which one is the correct option. So we can write it here. C is equals to W into 3.25 plus 5. Now we will compare this equation with the given 4 parts. Now let's see the A part. It is written C plus 5 is equals to 3.25 into W. Is it same with the answer? No. Then B part, C is equals to 5 plus 3.25 into W. See, it is same here. So this is the correct answer. Let's see the C part also. C into 5. No, it's not in multiplication. That means it is wrong. And the D part, C is equals to 3.25 into 5 into W. So here 5 is not in multiplication. So this is also wrong. So the correct option is B option. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, if Shalja paid 57 Zs, the weight of her parcel was, now 4 options are given. So basically in this question, total charges are given. Okay, total charges are 57 Zs. And we have to find the weight of the parcel. Right? So let's recall the details given in the first question. In the first question, it was written that charges are 3.25 Zs per kilogram, right? And a pickup service charge of 5 Zs. So here it is written total money paid by Shalja is 57 Zs. Okay. To courier a parcel, Shalja paid total 57 Zs. Now total money paid by her is 57 Zs. From this 57 Zs, so we will subtract the pickup charge, right? For each parcel, 5 Zs is the pickup service charge. So we will subtract 5 Zs from 57 Zs. So we are getting 52 Zs. So 52 Zs is the cost of the parcel only, except the pickup service charge. So cost of courier per kilogram is 3.25 Zs. It's already given, and total cost 52 Zs we have calculated here. So what will be the weight of the courier? Total cost divided by the cost of the courier per kilogram. When we will divide this, we are getting 16. That means weight of the courier is 16 kilogram. Now we can see the options. Option A is 10.75 kilogram. Option B is 15 kilogram. Option C 16 kilogram. And option D 12.5 kilogram. So we can see here option C is the correct option. Now let's see question number 3. Iqbal, Charyan and Rahul are close friends. On Rahul's birthday, Iqbal sent him a photo frame and Charyan sent him a chess set. The weight of the photo frame was 4 kilogram more than that of the chess set. How much more did Iqbal pay for couriering his parcel than Charyan? So see, first step should be whatever details are given in the question, we should write that details and then only we should try to solve the question. So now in this question, it is given that on Rahul's birthday, his two friends Iqbal and Charyan sent him birthday gifts, right? Iqbal sent him a photo frame and Charyan sent him a chess set. And other charges are same only. Cost of courier per kilogram is 3.25 Zs and the pickup service charge is same 5 Zs. Right. Now weights are also given. It is given the weight of the photo frame was 4 kg more than that of the chess set. So let weight of the chess set is x kilogram. Therefore, weight of the photo frame will be x plus 4 kilogram. Right. Now we know how to find the cost of the courier. See, in case of Charyan, weight of the chess set is x kilogram. So therefore, amount paid by the Charyan will be 3.25 into x plus 5 z's. Then in case of Iqbal, the weight of the photo frame is x plus 4 kilogram. So amount paid by Iqbal will be 3.25 into x plus 4 and plus 5. And when we will solve, we are getting 3.25x plus 18. So by comparing these two equations, we can find out that Iqbal is paying more. But in the question, they are asking how much more did Iqbal pay, right? Then we will find out that. So to find out how much Iqbal paid more, we have to find out the difference in amount paid. So this is the difference 3.25x plus 18. This is the amount paid by Iqbal and 3.25x plus 5. This is the amount paid by Charyan. So we will find the difference and after subtraction we are getting 13. That means Iqbal paid 13 Zs more than Charyan. Now we will see the options. Option A 10 Zs, option B 11 Zs, option C 12 Zs and option C 13 Zs. So D option is the correct option.